Hello everyone. Chinese President Xi Jinping arrives in Tibet recently, or Tibetans welcomed him through a video. Is there such a lawless person in the world? He's a dangerous man, especially India and Myanmar, Nepal, Bhutan is also at risk. The people of these countries should know this. Everyone should wake up. Recently, the Yellow River is being dammed. This river flows from Arunachal, India. The name is Brahmaputra. This water Arunachal Pradesh, Assam. It is descended from the three ancient states of India, including Meghalaya. Millions of farmers and Bangladeshi city dependent on it, and the future millions of people in India and Bangladesh will suffer. To solve this problem, Tibet must be independent. Everyone should support Tibetans' independence. Tibetans' independence is your security. People should wake up. Let's fight for the truth together. Defeat the lie. Everyone come with us. Thank you very much.